Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how you can add lower thirds or graphics when you stream into Zoom application. When you on a Zoom application there and streaming and you want to show your name tag, I know Zoom has a name tag already, but you want to have just a beautiful lower third coming up there or sending a message or what have you. This is how you're going to do it. First of all, you need to have an application where you can design those lower thirds, right? Animated lower thirds. And one basic way of doing it, if you do use Final Cut Pro, you can go to Final Cut, and this is what I'm going to use for now. So here we're on Final Cut. Make sure your project is 1080p or whatever canvas that you'll be streaming with. So I've created a 1080p HD there, and from there you come to your titles and then scroll down to generators and select solid, and from solid we're going to drag down the custom. And when you use your lower thirds, usually they don't stay very long time on your screen, so they're like few seconds and then they disappear. So that's what we want to do. So normally I would have my lower thirds going around about 10, like here, it's okay. Already it has this on black. The color is black there, as you can see it. Then scroll up, go to lower thirds, then select whichever lower third that you fancy of using. We're gonna take let's take this one, paper one. You drag it there on top and make sure it aligns perfectly there, and then change the name there. I'll put my name on it. What can I say? I'll just say streamer. Yeah. Now just wait for it to render quickly. You see there at the top, done. Almost done. Yes, yeah. And then export the file to 10.8 lower thirds OBS. I've created a folder already there so that I can find it easily. So it's going to render quickly for us, and boom, done rendering. So your lower third already from OBS has been rendered. You will notice when I drag it onto OBS, it will have a black background and then the name tag on there. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to drag it quickly for us, but let me switch over to OBS so that you can see what I'm doing. Now we're on OBS. Here's the file. So remember, when you here on OBS, you have to create your scenes. Okay, I've created a camera. This is the one camera, and then the monitor 2. That's the screen that I'm using for my Final Cut, and then OBS. Obviously, this is the OBS that I'm recording with. Now I'm going to drag that lower third that I created onto the camera scene. Okay, so here it is, OBS. Then I drag it here, and it should be at the top. Now when it's at the top, I'm going to, let's play it. So notice that when you play it, it covers my face. So we don't want that. So while it's halfway like that, stop it or pause it. Then right click on top of it, go to filters. Then under filters, effects filters. Then you go color, you can do color key. Yeah. Click on that. And then you select your custom color. And your custom color will be select color. Let's slide that we have a black color. Okay. There. Now the black has disappeared. If you see on the side there, you can see my face. So you can play around with the slides there. until you get a perfect, picture. But that's all we have for now. That's what we want for now, for demonstration. Basically, what would happen is when you switch over to your camera, then it will play your video. I mean your lower third. So let's play it again. It will show there's a streamer, there's your lower third, or whatever message that you want to play there, animated, it will show. So for that 10 frames, it will be playing. Now, how do you now get it to show on your Zoom application? Here's a key to that. If you notice here on, let's switch over to OBS again. So if you notice there on OBS, you have your Start Virtual Camera. So if you click on Start Virtual Camera, then it enables what is on the program to become your virtual camera to whatever application on the computer that you'll be using. There it is. Now let's move over to Zoom. I've already started my Zoom there, and it's on my second screen. So I'm gonna switch there to my second screen. Right, let's make it full. Then open your camera, video settings, and then go to video. There, you have to select it from there as OBS virtual camera. And then it will show whatever is on OBS to Zoom. So there it is. We've selected. Sometimes you would have this as mirror my screen. And if you mirror, everything will be, not properly aligned. So you just have to deactivate it and you should be done. Whenever you switch on your camera, whatever is showing on OBS will be shown or streamed on Zoom. So let's change the camera there. So whatever is there on OBS will be shown on your Zoom application. Did you notice that my lower third was showing there? So that's what we want to have. So you just started there, and then you have your lower third. Impressive. While you're doing your presentation, you can have that. You can load more things, like different graphics can be loaded there to show on your OBS. To show on your Zoom application. And how impressive would that be to those that are watching that you're presenting to? So basically, that's how you do it. Those lower thirds, you have to recreate them and then import them into your OBS, and then you play everything from OBS, and you make sure that your OBS has your virtual camera started. Then it will be picked up by any application that needs a webcam. For instance, now we're using here on Zoom, whatever application you'll be working on. I hope this has helped you a lot. And if it does, even if it doesn't, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment there, give suggestions, then spread the word. I will really appreciate it. My name is Neomara, and I'm the host of this channel. See you then.